It was a decathlon. We have a pilot now, and we have one cam 2 4K on the wing, counterweight on the other wing. Bit windy, total crosswind. Nice. Was all smoky overcast when I first got here. It's turned out all right now. All right, we'll put the camera on the hat on the head. Turn the wing cam on. Find the button, push it, hold it. It beeps. Extra beep, it's going. Yep. So, crosswind up. Camera's on the right wing. So, we'll do left-hand turns. Big plane for me. I love the sound it makes. It sounds so cool. Alrighty. That wasn't close enough. Alright, we'll bring it down the runway, I think. Do your turn, bring it down. She screams. And she snaps. A big old bird, that's all she is. Let's go flying this time more. The sun's just high enough, it's above the peak of my hat. Nice low pass. I see the pilot in there, that's cool. Planes are so much better with pilots in them. Yeah. Can't quite figure out a knife edge on this thing yet. Big loop. Slow her down a bit. Got rudder in the turn. I hear a helicopter, so I'm going to drop this down. Can't look at it because I'm watching this. New York Regional Police. Keep it low till he's gone. He's going to be doing circles here. Dang it. Alright, crosswind landing. Over my truck. Bit of a bounce. Ah! I hit the hay. I had to land because of that guy over there. The police station's over there. I don't know why he's circling the police station. Or Walmart. Walmart's over there. He's coming right at us. Hey! How you doing? You gonna fly over? Think you do a flyover? It looks black, but it's actually blue. Blue with a white top, with a red stripe. It's like the police cars. I don't know what he's doing. Circle Walmart. Yeah. I'd take that landing. It was alright. It was in the rough stuff. And got a bounce, and we ended up in the long, in the thistle bush. Woohoo! I'll taxi this back and keep an eye on that guy. Oh, my camera fell off. Good thing I noticed that. And it's not recording. Oh well. Hopefully we got some footage. I don't know what he's doing. Hi. Come taking me a circle. People ended out in this field before. Oh, that's the decathlon. Awesome plane, I like it. People say it's one of the worst decathlons you can get. Oh no, it's just pretty cool to me. I like it. The only Seagull models I've ever had. I've had BQ, well, not decathlon. BQ, Phoenix, Great Plains, all the big balsas. Right to my truck and stop. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Alright. He's obviously not going to come see me. Why would he? Alright. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And see you next flight. Ciao for now.